Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have a second lecture to find out the derivative by using first principle method of algebraic functions. Now we have a second question here, that is f of x is equal to radical x. F of x is equal to square root of x. We have to find out its derivative by using first principle. So here, first we have to find out f of a. So we have to replace x with a in the whole function. So this is f of x is equals to radical of a. Now we have to apply the formula. Limit x tends to a, that is f of x minus f of a, the whole divided by x minus a. This is the formula by using the first principle. F of x, this is the radical x, and f of a, it is radical a. We have to put their values here. So this is limit x tends to a, that is radical x minus radical a over x minus a. So this is radical x minus radical a divided by x minus a. If it is possible, first we have to simplify the question, then we have to apply the limit. So here we have to take out the conjugate of the numerator. So we have to change the sign of this radical x minus radical a. We have to change the sign of the second number. This is a. Multiply and divide it. So this is limit x tends to a, radical x minus radical a, radical x plus radical a, whole divided by x minus a times radical x plus radical a. This is the formula a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b and a plus b. So here a minus b, a plus b, it is given to you, so that will be equal to a square minus b square. So just we have to use this formula here in numerator. So this is x is equals to a minus b, a plus b, it is equals to a square minus b square so this is the formula which we have to use here. So this will be cancelled out to this one. So this is limit x tends to a, it is x minus a divided by x minus a radical x plus radical a. So this factor will cancel out, this factor x minus a will cancel out to this one, and this is limit x tends to a, that is 1 over radical x plus radical a, that is f prime x. Now we have to apply the limit. That means we have to put the value of x equals to a. So this is f prime a equals to 1 over radical a plus radical a. This x, it is equals to a. This x, it is equals to a. So this is 1 over 2 radical a. Now we have to put a is equals to x. So this is f of x, because we have to find f of x. So this is the derivative of radical x is 1 upon 2 radical x by using first principle. This is the second question by using first principle on algebraic function. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasser Arfat. Allah Hafiz.